Hello dear friends, I hope all you are fine. Friends, today I am going to introduce how you can withdraw your earning from Trustxgaming. Yes friend, I am telling you the process step by step, so let's start. Friends, first you visit the Trustxgaming.io official website. When you visit Trustxgaming.io official visit, then you see the interface of Trustxgaming. After visiting, click on three dot, then click on login option, and you need to put your username and password. After entering your username and password, then click on login. When you sign in, then you can see the dashboard of your Trustxgaming. After visiting the dashboard, you can see your earning chart, यानी कि total your earning, growth earning, everything. You can see my available balance is 6.56 TXG. Then you need to click on right side corner three dot. Then click on withdrawal section. Then click on withdrawal request. After clicking withdrawal request, you can see this type of interface where my current balance is 6.56 TXG and request amount you can put minimum 5 TXG. I am putting 6 TXG because my available balance is 6 TXG. Then you need to type transaction password. Actually you got the transaction password when you sign up this Trustxgaming. Then you need to put the transaction password. Then you need to click on submit. When you click on submit, your transaction will be completed. After click on submit, the withdrawal is be processed. You can see the withdrawal report where you can see the status is pending. That means the withdrawal request will be completed within a second. I am going to open my Trust wallet and I will show you the withdrawal amount. After opening Trust wallet, you can see TXG token where you can see transfer amount. My transfer and my withdrawal amount 5.4 TXG token will be received. So friends, this is the complete process how you can withdraw your earning. This is the easy and complete process of how to withdraw your earning from Trustxgaming to Trust wallet. Then after getting the withdrawal money, you can swap with the Pancake Safe. Then you can easily withdraw your money in your bank account. So this is the complete process of withdrawal. Friends, we meet you again.